Hello, I'm Jessica Ryan Keeney. I am the Department of Child Support Services attorney for two small Northern California counties. I'm licensed to practice law in the state of California. What I'm about to say is not legal advice. It is for educational purposes only, and it applies to California only. Go ahead, give us a like, subscribe, ding the bell so that you get notifications when we upload more content. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and put them in the comments below. And if we respond, that won't be legal advice either, but it makes for good educational content. So today's topic is child support arrears and statute of limitations. How long does one have to collect child support arrears in the state of California? And basically, they're due until they're paid in full, which essentially means there's no statute of limitations to collect child support arrears in California. And this applies to orders made in California, as well as orders made outside of California that have been registered in California. Now, here's the thing, though. If something happens and that those arrears expire, then they can't be revived in California. So let's say the order was made in a state that has a statute of limitations on collecting child support arrears, and let's just say that that statute of limitations is 10 years. And so 10 years passes, and then in year 12, one comes to California and wants to register that out-of-state order and get California to collect those child support arrears. It can't happen because the arrears order already expired in that other state, or the arrears already expired in that other state, and California can't revive an expired order. In California, it doesn't matter if the child has turned 18 or not. Those arrears are still payable until they are collected in full. So that's the statute of limitations on child support arrears. I'll have citations for the legal authority in the description. Go ahead, give us a like, subscribe, ding the bell, drop us a message in the comments. Thank you for joining us.